Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to get numbers that are just before or just after a given number. Part 1. Numbers up to 9. If the question says complete with the missing numbers, here we have the 3. What do we have before 3? It's like we have 3 marbles and we want to remove 1. So we have now 2. So before 3, it's 2. Great. Now, after 3, how can we know? It's like we have the 3 marbles and then we add 1. 3 and 1, it's 4. Great. So before 3, it's 2 and after 3 is 4. When I finish, I should read 2, 3, 4. It's correct. Great. Now let's continue. Here's another example. The starting number here is 5. What do I have before 5? 5. Here's 5 marbles. If I want to know what's the number that's just before 5, it's like I will remove 1 from 5. If I remove 1 from 5, here are 4 marbles. Great. Now, if I want to know what is the number that's just before 4, I will remove 1 from the 4. So we have now 3 marbles. Great. So before 4 is 3. Now, if I want to know what's the number after 5, okay? So it's like I have the same 5 marbles and I add 1. 5 and 1, it's 6. Great. Now, after 6, it's like I have the same 6 marbles in here and I add 1. 6 and 1, it's 7. Great job. So I should read now the result. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent job. Part 2. Numbers up to 99. Now, if the question says complete with the missing numbers, or it might say give the number that is just before and just after, we start with the 23. Okay, what's the number that's just before 23? How can I know? I will have the tens and the ones for 23. 23 is made of 2 tens and 3 ones, okay? So if I want to know what's the number just before 23, I should remove 1 from the ones in here, like this, okay? So the remainder is what? It's 2 tens and 2 ones. Great, it's 2 tens and 2 ones. It's 22. Great job. Now if I want to know what's the number that is just after 23, okay? So it's like I have these 23 and I will add 1, 23 and 1. It's very simple. It's 24. Great job. Now let's have another example. Here I have the starting number, which is 31. Okay? 31. What's the number just before 31? How can I know? It's like I have 3 tens and 1 1, okay? And to know what's the number just before 31, I should remove 1 marble from the ones, okay? Oh, I have no more ones in here. So the answer is what? It's 30. Great. I have 3 tens and no more ones. Okay? Now, here for the 30, if I want to know what's the number just before 30, how can I know? Here I should remove 1 marble from the tens. But if I remove 1, it's no more a 10. Look, if I have a 10 and I remove 1, so I have 9. That's why I will make it blue. because the tens are red and the ones are blue. Okay, so in here, if I remove 1 from the 30, what will I have? I will have 2 tens and 9 ones, which are now blue. Okay, so the answer is 2 tens and 9 ones. It's 29. Before 30, I have 29. Great job. Now, if I want to know what's the number after 31, after 31, it's very easy. It's like I have 31 and I will add 1. 31 and 1. Oh, it's very simple. It's 32. Great. Now, after 32, the number that is just after 32, it's what? It's like I have the 32 and I add 1 marble. Now I have 3 tens and 3 ones. It's 33. Great job. Don't forget, when you finish, you should read to see if you have done everything correctly. Now I have 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Great job. It's correct. Now here's the last example. I have the starting number 59. Wow, 59. Now the number that is before 59, it's what? Let's have the tens and the ones. I have 5 tens in red and 9 ones. If I want to know the number that is just before 59, I will remove 1 here from the blue marbles. So 9, I will remove 1. I will have 8. Okay, so the tens are still 5 and the ones are 8. So the answer is 58. Great job. Now, what's the number that is just before 58? Okay, the number that is just before 58 is the number that have 1 marble less. Okay, so I will remove 1. I will have what? I will have 5 tens and 7. Great. So before 58, it's 57. Great job. Now, if I want to know what's the number after 59, just after 59, what is it the number that's just after 59? So to know the number after a given number, I should add 1. So I will add 1 to the 9. Oh, but wait, when I will give the 9 1, it will become what? Let's see. If I have 9 blue marbles and I add 1, 9 plus 1, it's what? It's 10. And 10 should be red. Great. So to continue, 59 and I will add 1. It's what? It's another 10. 9 plus 1, it's 10. So it's red now. Here I had 5 tens plus 1 10. It's 60. It's 6 10. Great job. Now the number after 60 is what? It's that I have 6 tens and 1. I will add 1. 60 plus 1, it's 61. Great. Now don't forget to read 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. It's all correct. Great job.